This video will go over how to import shipping expenses paid to Pure Romance into the appropriate Google Sheet. So first you'll go to pureromance.com, which will bring you up to this page. You'll click on the little person and then log in. You'll then enter the login information, which is going to be found on our task training sheet. When it loads, you're then going to go over to where it says orders and then down to order history. We're going to start with, let's say, January of 21, and you can update that based on whatever month you're working on and click search. From there, you're going to look at the orders that say U.S. consultant order. Only the ones that say U.S. consultant order. So you'll go ahead and click on this one. It's going to load up the order. And once it loads, you're going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom. And it's going to tell you the shipping paid. For this order, it was $102.25. You can see that right here. And it was placed on January 4th of 2021. You can see that right here. So you're going to take the date and the shipping amount paid and go over into our client info Google Sheet. And on the bottom, you'll go to the tab that has all of our shipping expenses. And because it's Pure Romance, we're going to put it under Pure Romance. We then enter the date, which is January 4th, 2021. And then we'll toggle over to look at the amount, which again is $102.25. And we'd enter it in. And then to go back and look at more orders, again, you would go to orders, order history, change the month to the correct month that you're working on, click search, and then you can move on to your next order. And again, only the ones that say U.S. consultant order are we inputting the shipping expense for.